Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Intex filter is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining a clean and healthy swimming pool, ensuring that your water remains crystal clear and free from debris throughout the swimming season, which is why choosing the right one can make a significant difference in your overall pool ownership experience and enjoyment. Number 5. Intex 29002E Type A Pool Filter Cartridge. Keep your pool sparkling with this essential filter cartridge. Designed for convenience, it makes maintaining your water a breeze. Experience ultimate filtration thanks to its Dacron paper construction. It effectively captures debris, ensuring crystal clear water. This filter is compatible with several Intex filter pump models, including 28603EG, 28637EG, and 28635EG. Enjoy seamless integration. For a clean and happy pool, we recommend replacing the cartridge every 2 weeks. This ensures maximum efficiency and the best results. Our patented hydroaeration technology enhances water circulation, clarity, and freshness. It's all about the bubbles for a superior swimming experience. Intex products are built to the highest standards with safety as our top priority. Enjoy affordable, innovative, and long-lasting pool solutions. What we like. This option offers a convenient 2-pack of easy-to-clean Dacron filters. Its patented hydroaeration technology improves water circulation, clarity, and freshness. If you're looking for straightforward maintenance and enhanced water quality for your Intex pool pump, this is a great choice. What people say. The Intex Type A Pool Filter Cartridge works well. It fits perfectly and does a good job keeping the pool water clean. We used these filter cartridges for our above-ground pool for several seasons and they worked very well. They were easy to rinse and clean, and they kept the water clear when used with our pump. Fantastic quality and can be cleaned and used again and again. Number 4. Intex Krystal Clear 2100 GPH Sand Filter Pump. Experience crystal clear water with our advanced 6-function valve system. It effortlessly handles filtering, backwashing, rinsing, and more for optimal pool hygiene. Enjoy automated pool maintenance with the built-in 24-hour timer. Set your preferred cycles from 2 to 12 hours for a consistently clean pool without the hassle. Getting your pool ready is a breeze. Simply connect the hoses and plug it in. It's designed for easy installation with Intex above-ground pools up to 12,800 gallons. Spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your pool. The sand requires minimal maintenance, lasting up to 5 years with simple backwashing. Our innovative technology significantly enhances water circulation and filtration. Enjoy improved clarity and a healthier swimming environment thanks to increased negative ions. This pump delivers an impressive flow rate of 2,100 GPH, ensuring efficient water processing. It's built to keep your pool water pristine all season long. What we like. This sand filter pump boasts a powerful 2,100 GPH flow rate and a convenient built-in 24-hour timer for automatic operation. The sand media requires very little maintenance, lasting up to 5 years. If you want a hassle-free, set it and forget it solution for excellent filtration in larger above-ground pools, this is the one. What people say. The filter is easy to assemble and works great. It keeps the water crystal clear and the pump is quiet. Number 3. Intex Krystal Clear Sand Filter Pump and Saltwater System. Experience crystal clear water with our advanced filtration and saltwater system. It ensures a safe and enjoyable swimming environment for your family, suitable for pools up to 15,000 gallons. Our innovative saltwater system naturally produces chlorine from salt, significantly reducing your need for chemical additives. Enjoy clean water in a more cost-effective way. Enjoy hassle-free pool maintenance with its built-in 24-hour timer and multiple self-cleaning cycles. Scheduling your pool's cleaning has never been easier. Forget frequent replacements. The sand filter requires minimal upkeep and can last up to 5 years with simple backwashing. It boasts impressive flow rates for efficient cleaning. Benefit from improved circulation, enhanced filtration, and clearer water thanks to our unique hydroaeration technology. It also increases negative ions for a refreshing water surface. Setting up is straightforward with the included hoses. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year limited warranty. What we like. This model combines powerful sand filtration with a saltwater chlorine system for soft, fresh, and clean water while reducing chemical usage. It features a 24-hour timer and self-cleaning modes for convenient operation. If you desire softer water, want to minimize chemical handling, and are looking for an advanced, low-maintenance pool cleaning system, this is your best bet. What people say. The filter pump is powerful and keeps the water crystal clear. Easy to set up and maintain, works great for my 10-feet pool. The filter is quiet and efficient, I haven't had any issues with it. Number 2. U.S. Pool Supply Universal Replacement Filter Cartridges, Type A or C. Introducing our premium quality replacement filter cartridges, designed to keep your pool crystal clear. This pack ensures you always have a clean filter ready to go. These filters are universally compatible with most above-ground pool pumps using Type A or C filters. They are also a perfect fit for Intex Type 3 filters, offering broad usability. Crafted with advanced polyethylene terephthalate fibers, they provide superior cleaning for your water. The durable, collapse-resistant core ensures long-lasting performance. Ideal for pumps ranging from 530 to 2,000 gallons per hour. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing your filter every 2 weeks. These cartridges are not only easy to clean and replace but also offer a long service life. Enjoy hassle-free pool maintenance with these reliable filters. They are compatible with a wide range of popular brands including Intex, Bestway, and Summer Waves models. Check the specifications to ensure a perfect match for your pump. What we like. This is a value pack of 4 universal replacement cartridges compatible with Type A or C filters, including many Intex models. Made with premium fibers, they provide superior cleaning for crystal clear water. If you have an above-ground pool pump that uses Type A or C filters and want a cost-effective, high-quality replacement option, this multi-pack is ideal. What people say. These were the biggest bang for my buck and have helped keep my pool clean. You get 4, which honestly is enough to last all year. We are able to wash them and reuse them just like the big-name brand. Number 1. FutureWay Type H Pool Filter Cartridge. Ensure a perfect fit for your Intex 330 GPH filter pump. This replacement cartridge is designed for seamless compatibility, providing optimal performance for your above-ground pool. Rest assured with NSF International certification, guaranteeing superior material safety and compliance with global pool equipment standards. It's a mark of quality you can trust for your pool's health. Experience crystal clear water thanks to its advanced tri-lobe fabric structure. It captures 3 times more debris, including fine contaminants, ensuring your pool remains pristine. Built for longevity, its reinforced end caps and sturdy core resist deformation and corrosion. Enjoy consistent, reliable filtration and unobstructed water flow for extended periods. Cleaning is a breeze with its premium polyester material and well-spaced pleats. Regular maintenance not only extends its life but also protects your pump and saves energy. Keep your pool water sparkling with minimal effort. This filter ensures a clean and healthy swimming environment, allowing you to enjoy your pool with peace of mind. What we like. This Type H filter cartridge is designed for Intex 330 GPH pumps and features an upgraded fabric that captures 3 times more debris. It's NSF certified for safety and durability. If you have a smaller Intex pump and are looking for a highly efficient, certified filter that traps significantly more contaminants, this is an excellent upgrade. What people say. Easy to clean, designed so it fits my pump perfectly, doesn't cause any leaks, and installs perfect. Very functional and cheap alternative to name brand filters and works great. Good working filters. Keeps my 10 FTX 30 pool clean and I can rinse them every week and reuse them about 3 times or more. Works just as well as the pump manufacturer's filters. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.